There is a new workflow I have been using that is a total game changer for turning long videos into consistent short-form content, and it is called Vizard. If you are a creator who hates spending hours manually trimming down an hour-long live stream into 10 snackable clips every single week, you really need to stick with me. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly what this platform is and how I actually use it to streamline my entire content creation process. So, first things first. What exactly is Vizard? Think of it like an AI-powered editor and a social media publishing assistant rolled into one. It analyzes your long-form footage, finds the moments that are most likely to get views, and spits out ready-to-post short videos. But it does not stop there, because it can also auto-schedule those clips and organize everything in a centralized content calendar so you are not juggling apps. The result is less time spent editing, much more consistent posting, and way less stress about what to publish next. Getting started is actually super simple, as Vizard runs right in your browser as a web app, and there is even a mobile-friendly interface for checking things on the go. You simply sign up with your email, connect the accounts you publish to, like YouTube or TikTok, and then you are ready to feed it your content. I usually just drag and drop one long video, whether it is a podcast episode, a Twitch stream, or a recorded interview, and Vizard gets to work. Here is what happens next, and this is why I think it is actually worth your time. The auto-editing viral clips feature. Vizard scans the whole file for natural high-energy moments, spike words, laughter, and even pauses that look like natural endpoints. It then suggests a bunch of short clips, usually in the 15 to 60 second range, and it auto-generates titles and captions for you. You can preview each suggested clip, tweak the start and end points, change the text overlays, or just accept it exactly as it is. What I love is how it feels like it already knows what is going to work, saving me from scrubbing through an hour to find the 5 best bits. You get to pick the ones you like, batch edit captions, and apply consistent branding like your intro or watermark in one go. Now, let's talk about posting, because this is where most traditional editing tools really fall short. I used to export a folder and then manually upload each clip at different times, which was a massive pain. Vizard's auto-schedule feature is where it really shines compared to those other tools that only do editing or just act as a dumb scheduler. With Vizard, you set how often you want clips posted, and the AI will pick from your ready list and schedule them based on best practice times for each platform. Everything lives in a content calendar, so you can see the big picture for your entire week or month at a glance. If you have a team, you can invite collaborators and assign roles, like having your editor approve clips before they ever go live. This centralization is a massive upgrade from hopping between Dropbox for files, a separate editor for trimming, and a scheduler for posting. A quick note on quality and control. Yes, Vizard is automated, but it also gives you very granular control. You can override AI picks, trim manually, add your own transitions, or rerun detection if you want more or fewer clips. Let me be honest about alternatives for a second, because many tools out there only do parts of this workflow. The problem with patching different tools together is that it costs you money and time, whereas Vizard sits in a nice middle ground. Here is how I actually use it. I upload a 1-hour interview, and Vizard auto-generates 30 clip suggestions instantly. I quickly scan, select the 5 strongest, batch edit captions to match my voice, and add my custom outro. Then I set the posting frequency to 3 times a week and let the auto-schedule fill the next 2 weeks of content. From a single upload, I now have 2 weeks of short-form content ready to go, which is consistency without the constant effort. There are a few other neat things, like the ability to upload supplemental assets, such as static thumbnails, and stitch them into your posts. Privacy and permissions are straightforward, and if you are concerned about branding, you can set templates across the account for consistent fonts. One more practical example. You host a webinar and want to squeeze it for social juice by surfacing Q&A highlights. You pick the clips that align with your funnel, like awareness versus conversion, and schedule them to pull traffic back to your landing page. Okay, some real talk. Nothing is perfect, and if you are a perfectionist who needs frame-by-frame cinematic edits, you will still need your traditional NLE. Vizard is meant to be fast and data-driven, so it prioritizes shareable, viral-style moments over artisanal cuts. If you want to try it, I recommend starting with one long video and experimenting with the clip sensitivity and scheduling cadence. The AI learns from what you approve or discard, so it keeps getting better at matching your unique taste over time. So that is the crash course on Vizard. It finds the viral bits, turns them into platform-ready clips, and schedules them for you. If you want to be more consistent without burning yourself out, it is worth a look. I will drop a link in the description where you can sign up for a free trial to test it with one long episode yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video where I show you a few hidden tips to get even better clip suggestions.